Ever wondered how to turn a photo into a talking, moving avatar using free AI tools? Stick around. I'll show you exactly how to bring your digital self to life.
So guys, the first thing you want to do is to generate your avatar, and over here on ChatGPT we are going to get a prompt that we can use on Leonardo AI to get our image. So you can just tell ChatGPT that I want to create an avatar of a female with brown skin wearing a corporate outfit. So this is dependent on what you want to do. Just make sure you give an idea of the kind of avatar you want, the outfit, the skin color, exactly what you picture, and then the surroundings. Wearing a corporate outfit, sitting in an office, looking straight into the camera. This is very important because you need it to be like the avatar is sitting and recording that video directly. So always make sure you are prompting for it to be facing the direction of the camera. So then let's go on. Assist in creating a prompt I can use to generate the image, and then we enter. So ChatGPT is going to give us the prompt we can use. This is to ensure you have a quality prompt that would give you everything, that will capture everything that you need when generating the image for the avatar. So guys, our prompt is ready. So all we need to do is to then copy this prompt. When you copy this prompt, then you come to Leonardo AI. Leonardo AI has a paid and free version. So depending on which one you're having, if you're on the free version, you're going to get 150 credits every day when you log in that you can use to generate your images. So this is really good. So you can use the free version and you can use the paid version if you have the funds. So if you check here over this left hand side, I picked the 3D render because I want it to be a 3D image. You can start to pick another dimension that you want or another style that you want, but I like the 3D one. And then because I'm going to be making it into a YouTube video, I picked the landscape one. If you are going to be using it to do like a reel or this thing, you can click on this custom and then select maybe Instagram or TikTok one to get the portrait version. So when you're done setting all this, then you click on generate, and then after a few seconds, if you're using the free version, it might take longer time to load, but not too long. This is very good compared to other platforms that I've used. Leonardo free version is still one of the best I've used. So you can see guys, this time around I didn't make her wear hijab. I just used a normal one. If I was going to use for mine, like what you saw in the beginning, I would make sure that the avatar was wearing a hijab so that it reflects me. So you just pick the one that you feel is okay for you and then you go with it. So let's go with the second one. I'll just go ahead and download it. Now once that is downloaded, the next platform we are going to is the Halo AI. This AI is really good. You can see this was the one I used to create the beginning of the video that you're currently watching. So guys, if you've been watching up to this point and you found anything useful, please give me a subscribe and a thumbs up and let me know what you feel in the comments. So back to the tutorial. All you need to do is to then pick the image up, the one that you just created, and then put it in here. So we're going to say make the image walk and stand up and move while talking. So this is should so that it moves around and then makes it more realistic. If you want it to just sit down and talk, all you need to do is to tell it to make the image to talk and then gesticulate with the hand. So depending on which one you want your avatar to do, that's what you do. And for this particular platform as well, it has a paid version, but you have the free version as well. The free version gives you 150 credits every day as well. I think 150 or 100, so every day I think. And then the only difference is that it takes a bit longer to load when you're using the free version. So all we need to do is to click on the credit. As you can see, it takes 30 credits and then it's going to generate. We're going to come back when it's done generating. So guys, as you can see here, she's moving, she's talking, and she's looking directly at the camera. So this is amazing. So we're going to download with watermark, because if it's the free version, if it's not the free, if it's the paid version, then you can download without the watermark. So after you do this, the next place we are going to is the main place where all the main magic happen, which is called Dreamface. So Dreamface is an app. All these apps I've used, guys, you can download it on your phone. Okay, I just want it to be more clear. That's why I'm using the laptop for the tutorial. So all you need to do is to go to the Dreamface, whether you're going to the desktop version or you're going to the phone version. When you get to Dreamface, just look for the if you're using the phone version, look for video, to the lip sync video. We have lip sync for pictures and we have lip sync for video. Then you use the lip sync for the video. If you are using the desktop version, all you need to do is to come to avatar video, click on photos and videos, then you upload from your PC. And then I'm going to just pick the video I just generated from Halo AI, and then it's uploading. So you can see it here, it's uploaded. I'm just gonna place it here, and then once it's here, then you can put the script you want to put. So it's either you're putting a script of yours that you want to do by yourself, or you can record, or you can get from ChatGPT, whichever one works for you, or you can go to 11 Labs and then generate an audio and then upload it. Here I have a audio already that I generated. I'm going to use that audio, or you can simply click on record and then you record your voice directly for the avatar to talk. So I'm just going to come back and pick the audio that I created before using 11 Labs, and then we're going to click on generate. So once you click on generate, it's going to take a couple of seconds, I think less than a minute, and then it's going to generate. So guys, this is the result. Just take a look at this.
Ever wondered how to turn a photo into a talking, moving avatar using free AI tools? Stick around. I'll show you exactly how to bring your digital self to life.
Amazing, isn't it? Amazing. Then guys, another thing I want to show you guys is how to actually deal with the watermark on the videos. I'm sure a lot of people will be wondering, okay, it has watermark because it's the free version. What do we do? So I'm going to be showing you exactly what to do. So guys, typically what I do is I increase the scale. I increase the scale to hide that of Halo AI. But if I continue increasing the scale, I'll not be able to hide if I'll be able to hide this one, but then the video will be too zoomed in and then some places will not show carefully. So what I do in these cases is I just go and get stickers. You can get download sticker, watch the end sticker, subscribe sticker, anyone that you prefer, and then you put it in. So I'm just going to put it all the way to the end. Mind you, you can do this on your phone as well, like I've been saying. And there you go. So no more issue of watermark. No more stressing yourself that, okay, the watermark is showing, the watermark isn't showing. This completely hides all the watermark for you. And so guys, that is it. If you found this helpful, please give me a subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and let me know what you feel in the comments. See you on my next video. Bye.